Today's video is a follow-up. It has been 10 weeks since her first pedicure where she had been struggling with ingrown toenails and she hasn't had a problem since. You're going to enjoy today's toenail cleaning, so stay tuned. If you recall, her family had been helping her with her toenails because she had a hip problem. She just recently had her hip replaced, so she's doing much better. But because we removed all of that buildup, she has not had a problem since, and she hasn't touched them since. I'm always happy to see clients who have traveled a distance to see me again because I do wonder how they're doing, and I know you want to see their progress too. She has been using the at-home product, Nail Mycosis, and you can see the difference in the new growth of all of her nails. I'm going to show you a side view of that second toe in a minute. There's a big difference in the height of the nail because the nail fungus has not invaded the new growth of the nail. And with her consistent use, you can see the thickness and the discolored portion of the nail will be trimmed off eventually, and the nail should look like the others.
Oh, I can't wait to get that looking all normal.
If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications in case you are chosen as the winner in the random comment game.
After I thin this out, I think I'll be able to shorten it a little bit more.
She has a couple of really sticky cuticles on a few of her toes, and I'm going to show you how to use a really tiny diamond bit to buff the rest of that off in just a little bit. Don't forget to leave me a comment for your chance to win one of the tools I am using in the video. One of the subscriber comments will be chosen at random to win one of the tools, and one of the subscriber comments will be chosen for the Comment Hall of Fame on my Instagram. A recent Hall of Fame winner is Angelica Marcus. She says, "I swear you're an angel creating small miracles, watching you take people from oh no to yes, honey, is my guilty pleasure." Thank you so much, Angelica.
A dark line, and I said, well, you can send me a picture and I'll look at it because can you tell if it's in your toenail or if it's under your toenail? Because you can get moles under your toenails, and those need to be looked at by a dermatologist. Yeah.
Like any other mole that develops in your body?
Yeah.
And it's funny because it just showed up too. It must be because of it's growing out.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm like, oh, where did this come from? You know, so yeah.
I always keep my finger right at the cuticle line when I'm using a file on the top of the nail so you don't slice the skin. Always protect the area.
Seriously. This is gross to watch. Oh, now we know how to do stuff.
One thing that I like to cover is not only how to do something, but the reason why I do it that way. Because a lot of people...
And your voice is like seriously, I could watch this video.
Listening
Oh,
to
thanks.
water, listening to her talk. I know.
Right. There's something about it. It's just, even when you're like instructing me to do something, it's just like you're soothing.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
So we were just talking up front, you know, about falling asleep to it. You know, my husband's like, how do you watch this? Why wouldn't I? I love it.
And it's such intricate work.
It is. I mean, and you do such a great job. I mean, you are efficient, but you know, you're caring and not, you know, you ask if people are in pain or anything constantly, which is nice. So.
Very like motherly. Like,
Two teenage sons, you have to have a lot of patience.
And their friends. Is your house a hangout house?
Not really.
Oh my God.
Occasionally.
Always have extra kids. How many kids might feed?
We just got a dartboard and moved the... Yeah, when we opened our salon, like part of our motto is we don't consider any of this pampering. It's essential maintenance. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.